our orchards are getting close to being finished, which is a really good result, excellent result for us. As you can see, there's a little bit of fruit left in places that was immature when we came through. We've had select pick after select pick here, and we've had good yield off this orchard as well, and some very, very good quality fruit. We've probably got 2 days with one team, just as a bit of a whip around and clean up. The peak of the season certainly hit. We peaked at about 360 bins a day through the shed, and that is absolute peak production for the shed. It's been a very, very busy season, but yeah, pretty happy with the results.